7306 Grand Suite. So as you come in, you have some closets right here. You have a nice mirror right here. You can maybe put your keys and things right here. You have a little desk area here with a chair, some power, only one outlet for 110 and one for 220. Nice mirror. Sofa, nice living area, guys. You've got two seating chairs with a little coffee table, little end table down there as well. Over here is your TV and a safe. It's smaller by today's standards, but not bad. Into the bedroom, you have two twins that are either a king like you see it, or you can separate them. A couple nightstands up there as well. Nice mirror. There's some additional closet space here, so you have plenty of closet in here. In fact, there's sort of a dressing area and closets in here as well, which is really nice. Okay, there's also a sink out here to wash your hands if you're doing your makeup and stuff right here, because you also have his and her sinks in the bathroom. Toilet, bidet. This is a great place for the tall or fluffy. You have a shub tower combo that's also a whirlpool tub, a little on the larger side than most, which is nice. All right, let's go take a look at that balcony. So there's two sides of it. You have some chairs on this side, and you have a lounger on that side. And of course, you do have great views out the side of the ship. So there is the Grand Suite. Let us know what you think of it.